Return to your first love. In Revelation 2, John had a message from the Lord to the church in Ephesus. Revelations 2 verse 2-4 says, I know your deeds, your hard work and your perseverance. I know that you cannot tolerate wicked people, that you have tested those who claim to be apostles but are not, and have found them false. You have persevered and endured hardship for my name's sake, and have not grown weary. Yet I hold this against you. You have forsaken your first love. To forsake means to leave, abandon, renounce, or give up. The church in Ephesus was doing all the right things, but duty had replaced love. In their zeal for righteousness, religious activities replaced their devotion to Jesus. They did all the right things, but abandoned their first love. Once we lose sight of what drew us to God, which is His love for us, then all we do for His name's sake becomes a duty. The call for return is a call to reflect on our lives. What are we allowing to come in between us and our love for God? God does not seek duty. His desire is that our hearts be devoted to Him. The lover of our souls is saying to us today, return to your first love.